Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode on self-improvement. Today, let's dive into some patience whale sentences that will inspire and guide you to embrace patience in your life. First up, he's learning that patience pays off in the long run. In English, वो सीख रहा है कि धैर्य रखने से लंबी दूरी में फायदा होता है. Isn't it true that all great things take time? Next we have sometimes you need patience to understand the bigger picture. और in English, कभी कभी बड़े नजरिए को समझने के लिए धैर्य की जरूरत होती है. Remember, patience helps us see beyond the immediate. Patience allows you to see things more clearly without rushing into decisions. In English, धैर्य आपको चीजों को जल्दबाजी में फैसले किए बिना ज्यादा स्पष्ट रूप से देखने का मौका देता है. Clear vision comes with a calm mind. Then, the teacher asks the students to be patient and wait for their turn to speak. Or, टीचर ने स्टूडेंट्स से कहा कि वो धैर्य रखें और अपनी बात कहने की बारी का इंतजार करें. Patience is a lesson worth teaching. She learned the importance of patience while raising her children. In English, उसने अपने बच्चों को पलने में धैर्य की महत्व को समझा. Parenting indeed teaches us patience. Patience is especially important when dealing with difficult people. और जब आप मुश्किल लोगों से पाद रहे हो, तब धैर्य होना जरूरी है. Handling tough situations with patience is an art. He always takes his time and never rushes, showing his patience. In English, वो हमेशा अपना वक्त ही लेता है और कभी जल्दबाजी नहीं करता, जो उसके धैर्य को दिखाता है. Being patient is a sign of wisdom. In stressful situations, patience can help you remain in control. Or, तनाव भरे स्थितियों में, धैर्य आपको अपने कंट्रोल में रहने में मदद करता है. Patience is your ally in stress. She is learning that patience is key when it comes to relationships. In English, वो सीख रही है कि रिश्तों में धैर्य सबसे जरूरी चीज है. Patience builds stronger bonds. Lastly, he has developed great patience after years of meditation. Or, उसने सालों की ध्यान से काफी अच्छा धैर्य develop किया है. Meditation nurtures patience. So, remember, patience isn't just a virtue, it's a way of life. Keep practicing and see the magic unfold. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more self-improvement tips. See you next time.